Hi, this is John from House. Another video from Yoana, a large, very cheap house in the village Baba Tonka, which is an eco village, beautiful surroundings, and the house is well worth a look.
Hello, good day. I am Yoana and I am travel today to village Baba Tonka. I was just want to show you. This is one of the villages where till you reach to the village you drive through a nice big old forest with lots of nature flowers and lots of herbs and many wildlife. Here when you drive you have to be careful because you cannot see a deer or a boar or a fox or a toader which passed in the road. For this, be careful if you visit any of the villages south side of Bulgaria, south side of Popovo. This is villages like Baba Tonka, Gorica, Braknica, Manastirca, Ivancha, Dulec, Berkovsky. All of them are on the south side of Bulgaria, of Popovo, excuse me, and they have a really nice views and surrounds. And from here you can see the first snow which sit on the top of the beautiful hills, and many fields with lots of weeds and flower, because for us is Bulgarians the agriculture land is really important. It's lots of blossoms of spring flowers already here. You can see everywhere around is only a forest and beautiful hills. Come, I show you in a minute which property we will take photos of. Hello, good day. I'm Yoana and I am in a village Baba Tonka. Today I like to present you a cheap property with a 3000 square meter land project which need lots of work, but the house is really large, you can see it, and need attention. There is probably need a brand new roof because they are have on lots of places leaks. Here on the beginning of the property we have our barn with a big gate where you can park your vehicle, and down on a gate you got a large basement full with lots of junk at the moment. But yes, the property is sitting on a corner on a quiet village Baba Tonka. In the villages there are only one shop, you can see it, the house from the side of the garden, but here no one maintain and look after the property from very long time. For this everything need to be redone, but you have a so beautiful views around, and the village is really nice for adventures who wish a quiet rural life in Bulgaria. Baba Tonka is just 15 minutes away from Popovo, hour away from Ruse and Veliku Trnovo, 2 hours away to Varna airport or the beach. Come, I show you inside now the property, and how I already mentioned to you, the house need lots of work, but it's cheap property with a big size garden. And you can see it. The owner is here and keep locking the property before I'm finished to take pictures and photographs. Is there? You can see it. Now we're going inside and take a good pictures and a video. we cannot see everything. Neighbors' dogs keep barking me. The house is really big. Come, we go inside and take a look. We're going inside to take a look. It's very messy. I want to warn everyone before everyone start moan. But I already mentioned to you, no one are using the property from a very long time, and is need a work. Downstairs you have 2 rooms. There's a beautiful ceiling with nice old wood. The floors are matte. You can see it. Nice big thick walls. The property in the past was belonged to a rich people because have internal staircase, very strong and interest design. This is another room. From over there you got access to, you can go to the little joy building on the side, but the door is from other side. Something here stay behind the, I'm not gonna show you. I'll try it. I see. I can't show very well because have something behind of the property, behind the door, and I can't open it. You alone, you can judge the property. Need lots of work, but that is at the moment. This is the nice wooden staircase, nice oak, and you line over here on a large white corridor with 3 rooms, but you can see along the ceiling have lots of cracks, and there is a roof leaks, beams broke, and that property must have a new roof. But you have a little cute balcony where you can have that beautiful view around, where you can see on the miles all the beautiful natures and hills in Baba Tonka. The neighbors' dogs start bark me again, and we're going to see the rooms. Actually here you have 3 rooms. The house is south looking with lots of land. I apologize for the state of the property and all this rubbish, but that is at the moment. You can see over there again you have a big hole into the roof. For this, my opinion, the property must have a new roof. Other way is a strong property with a nice red bricks, concrete above the windows, but need a work. You can see it over here. It's need lots of work, but it's cheap property. And I'm going to show you the last room upstairs, and then I will show you on the side of the street. This is a storage, and over there in the past was have a barn which is collapsed, and that is the door to, you cannot go to the barn on the side, which is not there anymore. Been collapsed in a garden, and it's only ruins left. Sorry, I step on a walnut, which is that noise. And that was from inside. Now I'm going to show you more from the side of the street. This is a so beautiful barn. If someone are able to restore it and make it better, will be a beautiful annex with a nice terrace of all these viewings there down on the road. The house sitting on a corner between the two roads. Can I see it? It's nice and quiet. There is the property and reach the garden nearly to the second electricity post over there. That was from me for today. If you have an interest, contact me and I'm happy to show you this property in a village Baba Tonka. Have a good day from me.